You may say that I am very happy. I may say I am very happy, but actually there is no happiness. How there can be happy? Janma, happiness. Janma mrityu jara vyadhi dukkha dosana darsana. Actually, who is in knowledge, he should know where is happiness. I do not wish to die, I am dying. I do not wish to be diseased, I am diseased. I do not wish to become old, I am becoming old. So where is my happiness? This is called Maya. There is no happiness, but still he is thinking that he is in happiness. This is called illusion. Daividyesha gunamayi mama maya duruttaya. So, this is just like the animal is an illusion. A hog is eating stool, but he is thinking that I am enjoying, very nice. He is becoming fat. This is called illusion. You are not happy. Nobody is happy in this material world. Therefore, the inquiry should be, that is the Brahma Sutra, that is the Vedanta Sutra, Athata Brahma Jigyasa. Athata Brahma Jigyasa. This human life is for understanding Brahma. What is that Brahma, absolute truth? That is required.